Hello everyone, today I'm gonna introduce to you the amazing your kids thanks to the 5MP high-definition camera on Huawei Watch Kids 4 Pro. See exactly where they are and what they're doing in total detail. Enjoy knowing they can video chat with you anytime they need to via the easy-to-use call functionality. Plus, Huawei Me Time 4 is also supported on Huawei Watch Kids 4 Pro. Stable calls. Stay in close, clear touch. Enjoy always clear, stable voice calls and SMS 5 thanks to the full 4G VoLTE 6 coverage and Huawei's smart network algorithm, which boosts call stability and reduces power consumption. Of mind, all the time. With Huawei Watch Kids 4 Pro you're able to and if they ever feel unsure of something, the one-button SOS emergency call function lets them call you in an instant, together with automatically captured photos of their current location. Huawei Watch Kids takes for breakfast, with a 50% charge in just 20 minutes, via the built-in 800 mAh battery. 8. Night LED light guard. Light protection. Keep them safe and let them have fun with the colorful, flashing LED lights on either side of the watch face. Ensure they're visible when walking outside at night as the lights flash in time with their pace, and let them enjoy multicolored lights in a variety of scenarios.
cm.